Hi everyone, welcome to my class. Yes, hi everyone, welcome to my class. I am very thankful those who are continuously watching my videos, those supporting. Also, I am getting the new subscriber also. I am giving the hope I will not make you disappointed. Definitely, if you follow my Karnataka TET 2024 series, even science, maths, even English, I am taking the classes, child development, psychology also. I am trying to make the best videos. It definitely I am giving 100% sure. Definitely, it will helpful for you to clear your TET 2024 exam. Okay, at least maximum marks you will get if you watch my videos continuously regularly. Now onwards I will try to take at least 2-3 classes per day. After 8 o'clock I am planning to take the classes. Because of my mic, I order the mic, new mic. It will get, sorry for the disturbance. Even the last class gravitation, even so many views, almost 500 plus views are there. But I when I will see the video quality, so much disturbance is there. Sorry for that. If possible, tomorrow I will make that video once again. Then here I am taking the chapter light in science. Already in 2023 I completed all the theory classes in light. Please watch the theory classes light. Definitely it will helpful for you. Go subscribe to my channel. Then in that one, go to the videos. You will get 2023 Karnataka TET all the series. Almost science I completed all the series. Okay, then please watch that series also, because complete science physics I explained all the concept. Now I am discussing only MCQ questions. If you watch that one, definitely you can answer this MCQ series very easily. Okay, thank you everyone. Thanks for watching my classes once again. Let us move to the class. Today's topic is light, very important topic. Okay, and also easy topic. Easily you can score the marks in this topic. If you know the concept properly, then it will be very easy for you. Those who are in live, please tell me how is my audio, because once I will start the live classes, I don't know whether it is clear or not. That's why I'm asking. If it is clear, tell me clear, then I will proceed the class. Okay, coming to the first question. A convex lens has a focal length of 15 centimeter. An object is placed 30 centimeter away from the lens. What is the image? Sorry, where is the image formed? Here I am starting the class with problem. This problem, it will be based on convex lens. A convex lens, they are given the focal length and object distance also they are given. Then where is the image it will form? You have to find the position of the image. Okay, I will write once again what is mean by that. I will explain the terms. What is mean by f? Focal length of a convex lens, they are given in the problem. If it will be 15 centimeter. Focal length is indicated by small f. Focal length of convex lens, they are given, this is given in the problem. Then next, object distance from the lens, u is 30 centimeter. U is nothing but object distance. F is the focal length of the lens. V is the image distance. U is the object distance. These three important terms remember. When you are solving problems in the lens, whether it may be convex lens or concave lens, these terms are very important. Okay, V is the image distance, U is the object distance. Always the students, teachers, they will get confused with V and U, and even sign also they will get confused. Don't get confused with the sign. Then object distance from the lens, they are given 30 centimeter. Here I am taking minus. Why I am taking minus? Because the object is placed on the left side of the lens. Anything they are given in the An object is placed 30 centimeter away from the lens where is the image is formed. Consider here the object distance from the lens u is minus 30 centimeter. Consider here the object is placed on the left side of the lens. Then you know the formula, lens formula to find the image distance. The lens formula is 1 by v. 1 by v, it will be equal to 1 by f plus 1 by u. Then substitute the value whatever they are given here. 1 by v is equal to 1 divided by f value is 15 here plus 1 divided by u value is minus 30. Then 1 by 15 plus into minus, it will be minus 1 by 30. Take LCM here, 30 it will be the LCM. Then this one is 2 minus 1, 15 2s are 30. Then here 1 by 30 is the answer. So the image is formed 30 centimeter from the lens and the opposite side of the opposite side of the object. Here positive sign indicate the image, it will be formed opposite side of the object. Okay, if you know the mirror formula, it will be easy for you to solve the formula. Sorry, no, not mirror formula, lens formula. Mirror formula it will be different. Okay, this is the lens formula. Here they are given the focal length, then also they are given the object distance. You have to calculate the image where it will form. The image distance, it will be 30 centimeter and it will form opposite to the side of the object. Okay, in the next classes I will try to solve more problems based on the convex lens and also concave lens. Even both lens also, mirrors also, I will take a set of problems. Then you will come to know in which cases we will take positive, negative side, and in which case the object it will form in front of the mirror, behind the mirror. All this possibility you will come to know when you will solve more number of problems. Okay, I will keep in mind. Here I did only one problem. When you will solve only one problem, all the doubts it will not clear, I know. In the next class I will take more types of problem based on both convex and concave mirrors and also lens. At least definitely one problem they will be going to ask in TET exam. That's why that problem it will be, yes, almost out of maybe 5 to 7 question it will be based on the problem they will ask in the TET. Okay, particularly one class I will make that, I will make sure that you can solve all the types of problems, even topic wise we will come to know. Next one, sky appears blue due to first option dispersion, second one scattering, third one is refraction, fourth one is reflection. Why the sky, why it will appear blue? What is the reason why the sky it will appear blue? Because the answer it will be the scattering of light. Sky appears blue due to scattering of light. Then what is mean by scattering? Scattering of light is the phenomenon in which light rays get deviated from their straight path on striking an obstacle like dust or gas molecule, water, paper, etc. Already you know the concept, but I am explaining once again because it will be helpful for you to clear the concept. Okay, what is mean by scattering of light? The light rays they will get deviated when they will strike almost the light rays they will follow a straight line. Everyone you know straight line, light rays they will follow a straight line. They will move with a straight line. But when they will strike an obstacle like dust particle or gas particles, they will get deviated. Okay, that is nothing but scattering of light. Scattering of light gives rise to many peculiar phenomena such as Tyndall effect. One of the best example for scattering of light is Tyndall effect. Okay, you can observe this one in scattering of light. Best example for scattering of light. Some of more examples of scattering of light is the red color appears sun at sunrise and sunset. Maybe in the exam they may ask in TT why sun in the case of sunrise and sunset, why the sky it will appear red in color. Maybe they may ask. Okay, then the red color is used as a danger signal. Normally in the signal the red color we will use as a danger. Okay, red color of the sun at sunrise or sunset. Let us move to the next important concept. What is mean by dispersion of light? You know, scattering of light. Scattering of light is nothing but when light rays hit on any obstacles, it will get deviated. Okay, that phenomenon we will call it as a scattering of light. Then what is mean by dispersion of light? The separation of visible light into its different color is known as dispersion. Dispersion means the, you can consider in the simple word, the splitting up of white light into 7 different colors. The separation of visible light. Okay, visible light is nothing but it don't have any color, we can consider as a white light. The separation of white light into its different colors, 7 different colors, like Vibgayar we will call it, we will consider as a Vibgayar, that it will happen because the phenomenon of dispersion of light. Dispersion of light is the splitting up of white light into its constituent color due to refractive index of the surface and wavelength of the light. Maybe in the exam they will ask, they will give different option. Why white light it will split into 7 different colors? What is the reason? What is the splitting reason why it will split into 7 different color? Because due to the every light has its own refractive index. Refractive index of the surface and also wavelength of the light. Every colors of light, every colors of light, they have different wavelength. Because of their different wavelength and also in the medium, the refractive index it will be changed. The refractive index of water it will be different, the refractive index of glass it will be different. That's why due to the change in refractive index of the surface is medium. Even the refractive index of solid is different, refractive index of liquid is different, like that. Okay, the splitting up of white light into 7 different colors because the difference in the otherwise refractive index of the surface, the difference in the refractive index of the surface and also wavelength of the light, the splitting up of white light it will be takes place. Why I am explaining the concept here in detail? Because in TET exam we don't know in which small topics they will choose the questions. If you know the concept properly, you can answer the questions very easily. Even some they know what is meant by dispersion of light, splitting up of white light into 7 different constituents. Only that much they know. Some only dispersion, that is not a accurate one. Why it will happen, that one also you have to think. That's why I'm explaining in detail. Maybe based on this they may ask the multiple choice question. Okay, white light enters a prism on a side, then is separated according to the wavelength into a rainbow pattern. Already I explained 7 colors, they have 7 different wavelength. Because of the different wavelength they will get deviated in a prism. When white light falls on a prism, because of the different wavelength of the color, they will get deviated, they will get dispersed. Okay, next, very important, another phenomenon is refraction. What is mean by refraction? Refraction is the bending of light rays. Here also refraction is nothing but bending of light. Normally light travels in a straight line, everyone we know, changes direction and speed when it passes from one transparent medium to another medium. When in which case the refraction it will happen. Refraction is nothing but bending of light rays. Then here already you know the light rays it will travel in a straight line. when it will change the position, when the direction and speed, when it will change, when it will travel from one transparent medium to another transparent medium. Maybe when it will change from air to water. This is air, this is water, this is air, this is water. When light rays travels from one medium to another medium, then the refraction it will happen because of the change in different two medium. That's why please watch my theory classes. Everything I explained in detail in 2023 Karnataka TET, whatever the topic is there, I explained everything in detail. Go through that. Okay. Now onwards I will concentrate only MCQ question, because once again if I am explain the same one, it will be a waste of your time also. Next, reflection. What is mean by reflection? Reflection is when light bounces off an object. When light rays falls on any object, it will be bounce off. The law of reflection of light applied to both plane mirror as well as a spherical mirror. Even reflection it will happen in plane mirror also and also spherical mirror also. The first law of reflection, the incident ray, reflected ray and normal all lie in the same plane. That is the first law. The second law, the angle of reflection is always equal to the angle of incident. Angle R is always equal to angle I. Okay. Then next one, a reflection appeared to be the same distance from the other side. Wait a minute, Gayatri, ma'am, your voice is not audible, you are telling. I will check 1 minute. Wait a minute, I will check. Yes, correct. It is audible now. My channel. Then in that one, go to the video. Now it is clear. Please check your videos. Please check, make a setting in your mobile. It is clear. One I checked now. It is clear now. Please check. Okay, we will move. A reflection appear to be in the same distance from the other side of the mirror as the viewer's eyes. Okay. Next one, let us move to the next question. Cathode rays are beam of, first option protons, second option positrons, third option electrons, fourth one is neutron. Cathode rays are beam of, the correct answer is electrons. Those who are there in live, you can answer the questions. Okay, whether it is right or wrong don't matter. Cathode rays are beam of electrons. I will explain. Cathode rays are beam of electrons generated in a vacuum tube. Always remember cathode rays. Cathode rays are beam of electrons generated in a vacuum tube. Now is it audible? Those who are watching, is it audible now? Gayatri, now it will be okay, I think. Okay, the beam of electrons travels from negative charge electrode at one end and positively charged electrode at the other across a voltage difference between the electrode. This complete explanation is there in the 9th standard. Okay, cathode ray tube, we will study in that one. The positive charged electrode, the positively charged electrode is we will consider as anode. Negatively charged electrode we will consider as a cathode. Here what you have to remember here is, here, wait a minute, some disturbance is there. Okay, now it will be okay. Cathode rays are beam of electrons, remember that one. Yes, what is mean by vacuum tube? I will give extra additional information because you have to learn the concept in the depth. The vacuum tube is a device consists of electrodes sealed in a glass or metal ceramic enclosed used in an electronic circuit to control the flow of electrons. What is the use of vacuum tube? The vacuum tube, it will control the flow of the electrons. It contains two electrodes that is enclosed in an closed ceramic. Okay. Then vacuum tube is also known as electron tube. Remember, what is the another name of vacuum tube? Electron tube. Next, cathode ray tubes, phototubes, magnetrons, klystrons, glystrons, and fluorescent lamps are some example of vacuum tubes. Maybe in the exam they will give four different options. Then which one is the vacuum tube? They may ask. That's why remember. Okay. Next question. Match the following. Try to solve. Next one. Match the following. Luminous object. What is mean by luminous object? Transparent object, translucent object. If you know the definition, easily you can answer the question. Luminous object means emit light from their own. First one only. Transparent object means allowing light to pass through it. Then translucent object is we can see but not clearly. Let us discuss in detail what is mean by luminous object, what is mean by transparent object, then what is mean by translucent object, even the examples also. Luminous object. A luminous object is one that produces its own light. What is mean by luminous object? The object produces lights by itself. Okay. It emits light energy in the form of visible radiation. Luminous object is the object that produces its own light. It emits light energy in the it it emit light's energy in the form of visible radiation. Example of luminous objects are sun, light bulbs, fire files, glowing LED displays. These objects generate light through process like combustion, chemical reaction, and also electromagnetic radiation. These are extra information I am giving because how in the luminous object how the lights they will generated their own through the process of combustion, chemical reaction, and also electromagnetic radiation. That is important one. Remember, okay. Next one is transparent object. What is mean by transparent object? A transparent object allows light to pass through it without significant distortion. A transparent object, it can make the light to pass through the object. When light encounters a transparent material, it transmits through the substance, maintaining its direction and also intensity. It will maintain its direction and also intensity. Next. Next. Example of transparent objects include clear glass, water, air. These are the example of transparent object. These materials have closely packed atoms or molecules that do not significantly scatter or absorb light. Transparent objects only they will allow the light rays to pass through it. Even in transparent object, even though the atoms are molecules are very close to each other, but they will not scatter the light, they will not absorb the light. That is very, very important point you have to remember. Let us coming to discussion what is mean by translucent object. A translucent object allows some light to pass through it, but it scatters or diffuses the light as it does so. But in the case of a translucent object, only it will allow only some light to pass through it, but it will scatter the light and it will diffuse the light as it does. Okay, it will scatter the light also, and also it will diffuse the light. Unlike transparent materials, translucent of substance partially block the passage of light. Even when it will allow partially, it will block partially also. Only 50% it will allow the light, remaining for 50% it will block the light. When light enters a translucent material, it get absorbed and re-emitted in the various direction. Even it will scatter the light, even it will absorb the light also in the case of a translucent object. That some light it will get absorbed, then some it will get re-emitted in the various direction. Next, the example of translucent objects include frosted glass, wax paper, clouds. Okay. These materials have a structure that scatter light, making them appear somewhat hazy, blurry. Yes, even though with the help of this translucent object, the image is blurred, not clear, because it will 50% it will absorb the light, only 50% it will re-emit. That's why it will look like blur. Okay, let us move to the next question. Let us move to the next question now. Which of the following colors of a rainbow has the shortest wavelength? Among these four, which one have the shortest wavelength? First option is violet, second option is blue, third option is indigo, fourth option is more than one of the above. The correct answer is violet. Among four, violet is the color having the shortest wavelength. The wavelength of white light is smallest with 400 nanometer. Remember, 400 nanometer. The distance between two consecutive crust and trough is considered as a wavelength. The visible light consists of 7 different colors like violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Everyone we know. The wavelength of visible light, it will range from 700 nanometer to 400 nanometer. These are all additional information I am giving. Please keep in mind. The wavelength of violet is 400 nanometer. The wavelength of blue is 500 nanometer. The wavelength of indigo is 445 nanometer. The wavelength of red is 700 nanometer. Among this one, which one is the shortest one they are asking? Violet is the color having shortest wavelength. Remember, we don't know which one they will ask in the exam. That's why everything is very, very important. The speed of light is maximum in which of the following medium? Here they are asking the speed of light is maximum in which of the following medium? First option is air, second one is glass, third one is vacuum, fourth one is water. In vacuum, the speed of light is more. Remember. Yes, let us discuss why in vacuum the speed of light is more. The speed of light is depend upon the refractive index of the medium. Yes, speed of light is mainly depend upon the refractive index of the medium. The higher the refractive index, lower the speed of light. Hence, speed of light and also refractive index, they will be inversely proportional to each other. The denser a medium is the more refractive index, lesser the speed of light. Okay, denser, otherwise thicker. The denser a medium is the more refractive index. Okay, always denser, the refractive index is more. Rarer, the refractive index is less. Remember that one. The speed of light is thus minimum in solids, as they are denser will be maximum in a vacuum, as vacuum is the least dense medium. Speed of light follow the following order. Vacuum, the speed of light is more. Air compared to vacuum, less. Then liquid compared to air, less. Then solid compared to all these three, less. Because speed of light is mainly depend upon the refractive index. Denser the medium, refractive index is more. Rarer the medium, the refractive index is denser the medium, the refractive index is more. Rarer the medium, the refractive index is less. Okay, keep in mind. Then speed of light is in vacuum, it will be more compared to air, liquid and also solid. Let us move to the next question now. After a shower of rain, a rainbow is seen. Why you will see the rainbow after the shower of rain? First option, towards the sun. Second option, opposite to the sun. Third option, anywhere irrespective of the position of the sun, even in the absence of the sun. The correct answer, it will be opposite to the sun. After a shower of rain, a rainbow, it will form opposite to the sun. Why it will form opposite to the sun? See, what will happen when rain comes in the atmosphere? It will be full of water droplets. Okay, consider this is the water droplet, this is the sun. From the sun rays, they are coming. When sun rays falls on this water droplet, at this point, at the point B, refraction it will happen. Then at the point C, total internal reflection it will happen. Then at the point D, refraction it will happen. See, three process it will happen in a inside a air drop. Sorry, water droplet you can consider. Okay, water droplet, not air droplet, water droplet. Otherwise you can consider as a water vapor also. Otherwise water drop, single drop. To study, I am considering the single one, but in the atmosphere we are having more number of water vapors present after the rain. Then what will happen here? From the sun, the sun rays falls on this water droplet. What will happen at the point B? Refraction. Inside it will happen total internal reflection. Then at the point D, refraction it will happen. Then you will get the 7 different colors rainbow. It will form opposite to the sun. Okay, let us move to the next question. The star that appears stationary is the most shining in the night sky. Which star? It will be appear stationary in the night sky. Which star? First option, Taurus. Second one, Sirius. Third one is Orion. Fourth one is pole star. The correct answer is pole star is stationary, means that star it will not move and also it will appear like a shining. Pole star. The star that appears stationary is the most shining in the night sky is pole star. Appears stationary, but the star appears stationary is the most shining in the night sky is pole star. Polaris, the north star, appears stationary in the sky because it lies near the axis of the earth as projected into the space. Polaris, that is north star. It is therefore only bright star that does not change position related to the rotating earth. All the other stars below it appear to move in the opposite direction of the earth rotation. You can ask, why ma'am, Why pole star it will appear stationary even though that star, because exactly it will be located on the poles, pole star. Even the name itself is indicating pole star. Okay, keep in mind, remember in mind. Next question, the radiation used in the treatment of muscle ache. Which type of radiation we will use in the treatment of muscle ache? First option is infrared, second one is microwave, third one is UV, fourth one is X-ray. Which one we will use? The correct answer is infrared. Remember, easy question, remember. Infrared rays are used for the treatment of muscle tension. To release the muscle, we will use the infrared rays. It is also used in cookers for cooking food, in short range communications, in thermal imaging cameras also we will use infrared rays. Let us move to the next question. Which of the following color of a rainbow has the shortest wavelength? I think this question is repeated. Violet. What happens when light travels from air to glass? Air to glass. From one medium to another medium. First option, it bends towards the normal line. Second option, it bends away from the normal line. Third, there is no change. Fourth, it becomes parallel to the normal line. The correct answer is it bends towards the normal line. Let us discuss here. When light rays travel from air to glass, it will bend towards the normal. Consider this is the normal. This one we will consider as a normal. Then see, when light rays travel from air to glass, then it will bend towards the normal. That is the correct answer. Let us move to the next question. What is the range in nanometer of wavelength of violet light? Now only we discussed what is the range. First option 450 to 500. Second option 380 to 450. Third option 500 to 570. Fourth one 620 to 780. The correct answer is 380 to 450. Violet light, remember. See, here I given the range, radiation and also wavelength. Gamma rays less than 10 to the power of minus 12 meter. Then X-rays 1 nanometer to 1 picometer. Ultraviolet 400 nanometer to 1 nanometer. Visible light 750 to 380. Then near infrared 2.5 to 750. Then infrared to 25 to 2.5. Then microwaves 1 to 25. Then radio waves is greater than 1 mm. Remember all the list what I am given. This one is very important. Remember, out of this maybe anyone they may ask in the exam. Let us move to the next question. What is the focal length of a convex mirror whose radius of curvature is 400? They are asking if they are given radius of curvature. Easy question. Focal length it will be radius of curvature divided by 2. How much they are given here? Radius of curvature is 40. 40 by 2 is nothing but 20 centimeter. Option 1, it will be the correct answer. Here I given explanation, formula, everything. Radius of curvature they are given 40. According to the formula, focal length it will be radius of curvature divided by 2, 20 centimeter. A convex mirror is a spherical mirror whose refracting surface is curved outward. I am given the definition of this one. Then the center of curvature of a convex mirror lies behind the mirror. Always mainly used as a rear view mirror in vehicle, where we will use the convex mirror. I given extra points here. Read, it will be helpful for you. What is meant by a convex mirror? It is a spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is curved inward. Then the center of curvature of a convex mirror lies behind the mirror. Okay. Convex mirror, where we will use the convex mirror, rear view mirror in vehicle. Please go through my video light. I explained everything in Karnataka in my channel only 2023. I explained everything, all the 7 cases it will be there. When you will change the position of the object, where you will get the image, everything I explained clearly, in detail explanation is there. I don't want to explain once again, because already all the videos what I did, it is there in my channel only. Please go through the old videos also. If I make that videos once again, it will be waste of my time also, your time also. Last year I completed full science syllabus. This year I am trying to complete full maths also, because last 6 months back I don't have time to focus on maths. I focused only on science. This time still I'm having more number of days I can concentrate even maths also. That's why please go through my old videos, where I clearly explained all the science concept clearly, very clearly I explained. I am making I am giving the 100% guarantee. Please follow the videos, even detailed explanation I am given. Okay, first watch the videos, then tell me your valuable feedback also. Feedback also very very important. And also mention the topic, which topic you are not able to get, and also tell me which topic I am going to explain in the next class, even maths also, and also even science also, which topic you need in the next class to discuss MCQ question, even theory also, MCQ also, both also it will be good for me. Tell me any feedback, then only I can communicate with you, because at this time I know so many you are busy. When you are having free time, you will watch my video. If you are contact me through the mail, it will be helpful for me. I can get the feedback. Even in the comment section also you can give me your feedback. Otherwise through the mail also, sunita16.siddharaju@gmail.com also you can contact me. If possible, I am trying to take one more classes today. If possible, I will. Okay. Okay, thank you everyone. Thanks for listening my class. We will meet in the next class. I hope whatever the video classes I am taking, definitely it will helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel and share my videos to others. Please tell me your feedback. If you like my video, definitely press the like button. And if you are feeling still, if you are feeling, I know still some audible audio is not clear, give me some time, give me a week of time. I ordered one microphone. If I get that, then my voice it will be clear. Okay, thanks everyone.